Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we provide a step-by-step guide to help you effortlessly request an affiliate withdrawal. Start by logging into your SocialVPS account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Client Area dashboard to access your affiliate program details. From the dashboard, click on the Affiliates menu. This section provides a detailed overview of your affiliate earnings, including pending commissions, available balance, and past withdrawals. Click the Request Withdrawal button. This option will only be available if you have funds in your available commissions balance. Important note that the minimum withdrawal threshold is 100,000 Indonesian rupiah, or $8 or 38 Malaysian ringgit. These funds can also be used to renew your VPS subscription if desired. Information commissions pending maturation. These are commissions that are not yet eligible for withdrawal. They will typically mature and transfer to your available commissions balance within 7 days. Available commissions balance. This is the amount you can withdraw immediately. Total amount withdrawn. The total amount you've successfully withdrawn in the past. Once you submit your withdrawal request, a ticket will automatically be generated and sent to support at SocialVPS.net. Our support team will assist you promptly to ensure your withdrawal process is completed smoothly. That's it. Now you know how to request affiliate withdrawal in the SocialVPS client area. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it too. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.